This smart base checks off a lot of boxes on a bed frame wish list. Excellent mattress support without a box spring. Check. An abundance of underbed storage space. Check. Over 30,000 5-star reviews. Check. Frankly, we're not surprised that so many happy customers have traded in their 2-piece box spring and bed frame sets for this reinforced steel base. It's designed with a metal platform that you can rest your memory foam, latex, or spring mattress directly on top of for extended mattress life. It's also engineered with multiple support legs for maximum stability and squeak-free use. Plus, those legs have plastic caps at the ends to protect your floors from unnecessary scratches. With swift assembly that only requires your own 2 hands and a 5-year worry-free warranty included. This extraordinary foundation is what we call a win-win. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. A one-and-done solution. Why buy both a bed frame and box spring for your mattress? Our sturdy steel smart base lets you enjoy the benefits of both. And fear not, this hardworking frame only requires opposable thumbs to set up. Number 2. No box spring needed. The platform is made with heavy steel that replaces your box spring, allowing you to rest your memory foam or spring mattress directly on top. Legs have plastic caps to protect your floors. Number 3. Underbed storage. A total of 11 inches of clearance space under the frame provides valuable storage room for extra odds and ends. Number 4. Quick, tool-free assembly. Shipped in one compact box and requires no tools for assembly. Rest your mattress directly on top of the platform. Single frame sizes support a maximum weight capacity of 750 pounds, while other sizes up to 1,500 pounds. Number 5. Worry-free 5 years limited warranty included. Mattress sold separately. Number 6. No box spring needed, with both horizontal and vertical steel slats. Your mattress will have all the support it needs without a box spring. The slats are spaced 10.66 inches apart for queen and king sizes, and 9.4 inches for smaller sizes, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.